Are you a non-U.S. individual or foreign entity receiving income from the United States? If so, you may be asked to complete Form W-8 BEN. Form W-8 BEN, officially called the Certificate of Foreign Status of Beneficial Owner for United States Tax Withholding and Reporting, is used to certify that you are not a U.S. person. U.S. payers use this form to determine whether they must withhold U.S. taxes from certain types of income. Without a valid Form W-8 BEN on file, U.S. payers are generally required to withhold tax at a flat 30% rate. Form W-8 BEN is commonly used for income such as interest, dividends, royalties, rents, compensation for certain services, and other U.S. source passive income. The form serves two primary purposes. First, it confirms that you are a foreign individual and not subject to standard U.S. backup withholding rules. Second, it may allow you to claim a reduced rate of withholding under an income tax treaty between your country of residence and the United States. Many countries have tax treaties with the U.S. that reduce withholding rates, sometimes to 15%, 10%, 5%, or even 0%, depending on the type of income. To claim treaty benefits, you must provide your country of residence, provide a foreign tax identification number if required, and complete the treaty benefits section of the form. It's important to understand, Form W-8 BEN does not eliminate taxes automatically. It simply allows the withholding agent to apply the correct rate based on your foreign status and any applicable treaty. Form W-8 BEN is generally valid starting on the date it is signed and remains in effect until the last day of the third calendar year following the year you sign it, unless your circumstances change. For example, if you signed the form in June 2026, it will typically remain valid through December 31st, 2029. If your residency, citizenship, or tax status changes, you must submit a new form. You do not send Form W-8 BEN directly to the IRS. Instead, you provide it to the U.S. company, financial institution, or withholding agent requesting it. Failing to submit the form when required may result in higher withholding and delays in receiving payments. Form W-8 BEN helps ensure that the correct amount of U.S. tax is withheld from your income, no more and no less. If you receive U.S. source income and are not a U.S. person, completing Form W-8 BEN accurately and on time can help you avoid unnecessary withholding and remain compliant.